Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste inside of Planswift. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up Planswift, and now make sure you're on the home tab. Then from here, you've got a little arrow here, so expand that out. This is going to show you pages, bookmarks, etc. Now, depending on what you want to go ahead and copy and paste, what I find on the left hand side, we can go ahead and search it here. So if I want to copy and paste the driveway, I can, or the footpath, the turf, stormwater pipes, anything inside of this plan I can go ahead and copy. So I can yeah, go ahead and choose whichever thing I want to copy. If I want to go ahead and say come back to the DS site here, I'm going to zoom in, or I could even do the inside, so just let me rearrange this. So say for example I want to go ahead and copy and paste, say this window, I can go ahead and click on Control C and then Control V, and then it will say would you like to paste selected. Yep, so there we go. So that's how to copy and paste. Or on the left hand side, we can go ahead and click onto it, click copy, and then paste it as well, like so, and then click OK to confirm.